Hey guys, your girl Miss Fluffy back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making stewed peas, Jamaican style stewed peas. Yes guys, Jamaican style, quick, simple, easy, delicious stewed peas. Trust me, I put a little twist on it, just a little bit. Okay, if y'all want to see how I make it, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to turn on your notification. If you're old, you're returning back. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of the fluffiness. Without further ado, let's get into this. Alright guys, so I rinsed my pigtail. I added some browning oil and adobo into my pot. So let me show y'all what this looks like. This looks so good. Guys, the only reason I use browning is because I could not find any dark kidney beans, and I don't want my pigtails to look white. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my pigtails to look white. So that's why I'm adding the browning. And I'm not using salty pigtails. I'm using the fresh one. So that's why I'm going in with some adobo to give it a little flavor. Just a little bit. I'm gonna let it brown up some more. We're not gonna cook it all the way through. We just want that brownness. Yeah, so let's take a look inside. Ooh. You see that nice brownness? Yeah. So I'm gonna take it out and put it in a nice clean bowl. Let me zoom in on that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take these out. Be careful. Woo! There's a lot of fat just popping everywhere. Just take these out. Smells so good already. I'm gonna drain off the excess oil off of this and don't want the oil. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with 4 cups of water. Make sure your stove is on high. I'm gonna add 4 more cups. Okay, good. I'm gonna add 4 more cups. You do not have to change your pot. This is all flavor that's in there. So 4 more cups, and I'm gonna go in with my kidney beans. Make sure you clean them. Make sure you rinse them off. And I'm using this. So right, let me cut the light down on this. Okay, so I'm using the light red kidney beans, and this is a 16-ounce bag. Honestly, if they had the dark kidney beans, that would have been perfect. So I'm gonna just put the whole thing in here, and I'm gonna go in with some garlic. Cut this down. You can use whatever garlic you have, minced, diced, chopped, whatever. Any type of garlic you have, just put it in there. Remember, the beans are tough like a rock stone. So we want it to soften up. We want it to soften up. The best thing you can do is let it soak overnight. I put some cloves of garlic in there and some water and let it sit on the stove overnight so the beans could get softened up. But I didn't have time for that, so I'm just working with that, what I got. I'm gonna add in some salt just to season up the pot a little bit. Let's mix that around. I'm gonna go in with some adobo. So I'm gonna just cover this up and let the peas get soft, which is gonna take forever, but that's fine. That's fine with me. So I'll be back, guys. Show y'all when the peas nice and soft. Alright, guys, let's check on our peas. It's been boiling for about 45 minutes. Feels like forever. Alright, it's a lot of peas, so I'm gonna take some out and I'm gonna save it for if I'm making rice and peas or something else. I'm putting in the freezer. I'll freeze that up. So I think I got like half, a little bit more than half of the peas left. It's kind of soft, but it's still, let me get a close up on that. Kind of soft, but it's still tough. You see that? Still tough. But anyways, I'm gonna go on with my pigtails. I'm just add these in here because I want them to cook up with the peas. So while the peas are cooked, the pigtail are cooked too. And I added 4 more cups of water in here. So I'm gonna try and put a little bit more because everything tough, so I want it to cook all the way through. And I'm gonna go on with some more seasoning. My Creole seasoning. I'm gonna add some of that in there. Trust me, it's not salty. Remember, I'm not using the salty pigtails. I'm going with some cracked black pepper. Crack, crack. And I'm gonna add some Maggi in there. Hold on if I can open this. So I'm gonna just cook this up. I'm gonna let the peas soften up and I'm gonna let the meat cook through. And then I'm gonna go with like my onion, my bell pepper, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna cover this up, let it cook down, and I'm gonna put the rest of this, I'm gonna let it cool down first. I'm gonna put the rest in the freezer so I can use another time. So I'm gonna soon come back. Alright guys, so this been boiling for about 35 minutes. Let's take a look inside. Let me zoom up on that because it looks good. Alright. See that? Let's check the peas. See that? Nice and soft. Hope you saw that. Let me do it one more time. Be careful, guys. If you're not a pro, don't burn up yourself. Right? Just squeeze that, you see? Soft. That's how you want your peas to be. You don't want a tough peas. So what I'm gonna go with next, I'm gonna add some, see that light? Crazy. Let me drop this down. Alright, I'm gonna add some green bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, and thyme and some onion. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. And some onion. Remember, you want your pot well flavored up. Just add these in here. Just mix these bad boys around. Just mix it around. This looks so good already. So I'm gonna let that boil for about another 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go in with my spinners. If y'all watch my previous videos, y'all will know what a spinner is. But I'm gonna show y'all how I make it again, okay? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show y'all how to make the spinners. So you're gonna need 1 cup of flour, or however much you want, however much spinners you want. And you're gonna add a little bit of salt. Not too much. Just mix that around. You can also add cornmeal if you have that, but I don't. Then you're just going with some water. We're basically just kneading the dough. We're just kneading the dough. Knead up, knead up, knead up. Add a little bit more water. Ooh, that flour is so messy. Willing to make a mess in the kitchen. That is so fun. See, when you're making your flour, just add a little bit of water at a time. You don't want to add too much. And you don't want to ruin the flour. You want it to form a perfect ball. But if you added too much water, you can always go back in and add more flour. Always go back in and add more flour. But if you run out of flour, if you run out of flour, I don't know what to tell you. Go to the store and buy some more. Or the breadcrumbs can work. I don't think so. All right, let me show you how to make the spinners, okay? You just grab a little piece. So that's nice and small. You just rub your fingers together like that. Voila. Spinners. Show y'all again. Grab a small piece. Just like that. Just like so. Form a ball a little bit and then roll like that. See that? Yes, sir. Simple. If you don't like the spinner, if you don't like how the spinners look, you can make small dumpling thing. I don't know if I make dumpling, but so I'm gonna go with spinners. Let's roll this thing out like that. Yep. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish roll these out and then I'm gonna put them in the pot. Matter fact. Bubble, bubble gala bubble, red pot look good. This looks so good, guys. So delicious. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm gonna just add my spinners in here. Just roll out these bad boys. You can eat this just by itself. I love eating this by itself. Just turn it into soup. Or you can have it with some white rice. White rice only. Or you ever eat that with boiled dumpling? I don't know. So either with rice or just by itself. Okay, guys? With white rice. So I'm gonna just finish spinning these. Finish spinning these and just put them in there. And make sure you taste your pot because you want it to have the right amount of seasoning. So I'm gonna let these cook up first and then I'm gonna taste it at the end. Make sure it's safe. The pot well nice and seasoned up. Yes. If y'all don't want too much spinach in there, cut back. Use half a cup of flour. You don't have to put as much dumpling in your, like how I'm doing mine. So that's what I want. I like my flour in my stew peas. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Yes. It's so good. So I'm just cover this up. My temp is still on high. It's been on high the whole time, guys. So high. When it's almost finished, that's when I'm gonna cut it down to low and let that bad boy simmer. So come back. All right, guys. So the stew piece is finished. Stew piece done. So what I did was added a little bit more water, let it cook down some. Then I added some. Put up the volume. Oh yes. Then I added some ketchup in there. Made my ketchup goes in everything. Ketchup goes in everything. So this is it, guys. I already did the taste test and it's perfecto. Perfect. You see that thickness? Man, so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me see. Yes, a bubble. Bubble. Yes. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. So that's it. I'm gonna just plate it up, show y'all the final result. Alright, guys, so this is the end result. This looks so good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Lego.